Canada is a country in North America. The weather in Canada is very cold in winter. It snows all winter. It snows from October to March. The roads are icy in winter. Sometimes people are caught in snowstorms.
What's the weather like, Grandpa? Aunt Yasmeen! It's Grandpa. It's snowing in Canada.
Hi, Dad. How are you?
Grandpa says it's snowing in Canada. It never snows in Kuwait.
Of course it doesn't. The weather is usually hot and sunny in Kuwait.
I'd like to visit Canada. It snows all winter, from October to March.
Yes, you can go skiing in the mountains. In the towns, you can go ice skating outside.
Sometimes the snow is not safe. The roads are icy and you have to drive very carefully. Dad said there was a snowstorm. He couldn't see anything. He had to stop the car because it was dangerous to drive.
Did he get out of his car?
No, you should always stay in your car and wait for help. He waited for 2 hours. It was very cold, but he had a hat and gloves in the car. He also had a blanket and some hot coffee.
You should always have warm things in the car in the Canadian winter.
In the end, a big truck came and cleared the snow from the road. Your grandpa arrived home very late. He was cold and tired.
Poor Grandpa.
I think I'd like to stay in Kuwait this winter.